Two on Your Side's Nate Benson has been following this story for us. So, Nate, what did the judge say in his decision?
Well, Scott and Mary Alice, Judge Emilio Koliakovo said there's a clear legal directive that the controller must abide by, and she didn't. It was a swift and strong decision by Judge Emilio Koliakovo. The lawsuit between the acting mayor, Councilmember Nowakowski, and Controller Barbara Miller-Williams was heard on Monday in court, and by Wednesday, a ruling was issued. Her lawyers argued a 1945 and 1994 resolution passed by the council gave the controller discretion over how much can be borrowed. Judge Koliakovo disagreed and is compelling the controller to go to the bond market, saying that her duty is ministerial and she has no discretion and she must bond as required. You'll remember that the council passed a $110 million capital budget in December that would have required her to go to the bond market. However, she set a recommended bond cap of $28 million. And in the months since, she has refused to go to the bond market. Judge Koliakovo said by inserting herself into the process, the controller exceeded her mandate and failed to abide by her ministerial role as provided in the charter.
A very costly Civics 101 that we had to have a judge tell elected officials what their chartered role was.
I want to be very clear, this is not something we wanted to do, it's not a path we wanted to go down, but the delays in projects, the money that it will cost in addition to what it would have originally cost, I felt the need to go the legal route.
Ultimately, I'm embarrassed though for the city of Buffalo because this will come at the expense of the taxpayers who now have to pay for legal fees for outside counsel.
How much is this legal matter going to cost city taxpayers?
I don't have the exact numbers with relation to outside counsel, but we can get that for you. But at the end of the day, I think the bigger financial impact is the delays in these projects.
As Judge Koliakovo pointed out in his ruling, the controller failed to uphold her elected duty throughout this process, which raises the question, do you believe she should remain in office after this decision?
Yeah, I don't think it's a reason for the controller to leave office. This is a difference of opinion.
She is not able to uphold her duties in office. The voters ultimately voted her in for a 4-year term, so you get what you voted for. But ultimately, I hope the taxpayers and the press hold her accountable.
Now, the Controller's office told me tonight that they are still reviewing this decision and had no comment. On Your Side, Nate Benson, Channel 2 News.